Have you ever seen those wonderful cloud pours and wondered, how do they do that? Well, let's learn together. Come on down to the canvas. Okay, really quick explanation of what I'm doing today. I'm getting ready for a pour that I'm going to be doing for next week, and this is a test pour. I am not an expert when it comes to the realm of cloud pours. So what I'm going to be doing today is practicing. See, make sure I have my consistencies right and my cloud pour right. So I'm not going to really spend a lot of time talking, but I just wanted to take a quick and explain what I'm doing. Let me talk about the colors real quick, and we'll get right to it. This is this little piggy tail feather. Let's see if you can see that consistency. It comes off the spoon and leaves a trace that lasts for about 3 seconds, maybe 5 at most. This is Gelsonia Prussian Blue. This is Golden Manganese Blue. And this is this little piggy, Hammerhead. On this side, this is Nova Color in Super Pearl Gold, with a little drop or two of the PBO Precious Gold just to darken it up a bit. And this is my cloud mixture. Seems a little bit thick. They tend to thicken up as they sit, so I may have to thin this out just a little bit, but we'll see. So I'm going to put you down on music, and we're going to get started. Okay, I lied a little bit. Let's go ahead and layer this cup. First thing in is going to be a little bit of my gold. And again, this is Nova Colored Super Gold Pearls, and then just a touch of PBO Precious Gold. That's the Prussian Blue, Gelsonia. Gonna follow that up with the Hammerhead. Now the Manganese Blue. This a little tail feather. Now my pearl mix. I'm going to repeat the process. Let's talk about this for just a second. I'm getting some nice pearls down this end and some over on this side. I'm not getting very many in the middle, and I think it's largely because there's too much paint down. Just a good example of this, I poured a cup that was probably twice as deep, twice as much as I needed to. I've pulled off the canvas the excess paint that is already spun off, and it's half of what I put down on there. So lesson learned as far as how much to use. I'm gonna say that I probably need to thicken these paints up a little bit more, because it really didn't pour out of the cup like I was hoping it would. Wouldn't allow me to the time to be able to fold this. I got some fingerlings going on. I have some nice striation, so it's not too far off, but it just needs to be tweaked just a little bit. So I'm going to clean up a bit, and I'm going to bring you down to look at it. I think it's going to continue to develop, frankly. So I'll show it to you now, and then I'll come back and I'll show it to you a little bit, and we'll see what the difference is. Learning experiences are wonderful because they give you a chance to do that. Learn. I'll be back. Okay, let's go down a little closer and see what I have here. It's been sitting a few minutes. You see, I got some pearls that are starting there, but I got nothing in the middle really to speak of yet. And I got some pearls down here. I think largely that's because my pearl mix is too heavy. It sank. The rest of this, you can see that I got some nice fingerlings. And it's not horrible, but it's not good. So I'm going to have to tweak this a little bit. I think my color layers were too thin, and my cloud pour layer was too thick. So I need to even those out and see what we can come up with. Let's do the slow and easy pass. If you'd like to help, leave a like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications of future videos. It really does help, and it's absolutely free. Okay, I want to thank you very much for being here today, and I hope you really did get something out of this. So, until next time, bye for now.